Hey, all right, I am gonna head to my cabin on Sky Princess, and I put that I don't want my picture. There was a little thing in the app where I said I don't want my picture on my door. So let's see if it's not displayed. It says even numbers over there. On the app it said the odd numbers over there. I think I'm confused. Let me go find my cabin. I'm in cabin A717. Where is it at? I'm at the back of the ship. Is my cabin?
You want help?
No, I see it now. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, it is on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna go this way to find the cabin. I don't know why I was confused. I think because last time I was on the even side. So A717, they're already delivering luggage, and my luggage is already there. And I see where they have people's names, and my picture is still there, even though I requested it not to be there. Oh man. All right, the door automatically opens, turns green. And here we are. I got an interior cabin. See if I can get in here with all this stuff in my hands. Ah! Alrighty, here's our first look at the interior cabin on Sky Princess. It's a little different setup than what I had before. Let's see if I can get my bags in the door first. Alright, I got all my stuff in here now. As you can see, I've changed my luggage setup. This is everything I have now. So I have my check bag, which is right at 50 pounds, 49.5. I have a personal bag, which I have another bag that I'll switch that out sometimes with, because this is too big for an airplane to be considered a personal bag. But I can move some of this stuff around. And then my electronics are in my backpack. And then now I have 2 jackets, but that is it. All my belongings, everything that I own, besides what I am wearing today. So, hey friend. All right, let's go check out this cabin. Compared to when I was on Enchanted Princess, it doesn't have all the storage that Enchanted Princess had. It doesn't have the drawers and the little, what do you call it? Shelves that it had there. So let's see, my first time going to the bathroom. I don't know what it looks like yet. Okay, it looks just like Enchanted Princess. So I'll leave a link to that video so you can see what that cabin looks like and you can compare. But this has everything that you need. It does have a shower curtain, which is not one of my favorites, but it is what it is. And it has a lot of space though. Yeah. So it looks like it will do the trick. Everything that you need. Or just, especially for a single person, a solo person, all my stuff will be able to fit in here fine. All right. I don't see. Do they not have washcloths? Oh my gosh, we're in Europe. Are they not giving us washcloths because we are sailing out of the UK? What is this? Shampoo and conditioner and body wash. Okay, there we go. Yeah, my hotel didn't have washcloths either. I have since started bringing my own washcloths in my luggage. They do have the little towel for a bath mat. But yeah, no washcloths. Why? I don't understand it. That's personal business. Mind my own. Here goes some hooks to hang the towels on. And we have this upper shelf right here, our life vest right there, and then just spots to hang stuff up. They do give you, Princess gives you this little extra bag here. I'm guessing it's for laundry. That's what I said before because it's over here on the hanger. But of course you can use it for other things on the ship. And I don't have loyalty with Princess, so I don't get my laundry included. So you can also put something there. But I did look it up, and they are supposed to have a self-service laundry room on this ship. So 14 days I'll definitely be needing to do laundry, and I'll be doing my own. So this is what the cabin looks like. Okay. Let's turn the light on. And then there's a, what is that called? A USB port, right? And some drawers and the nightstand. And I like that they have these little extra decorative pillows. I usually will put them if my feet need to be propped up. I'll put them up under my knees when I'm laying in bed. But just like the other ship that I was on, Enchanted Princess, this has a really large desk. Actually, it's not as large as the other one, now that I think about it. The other one was much larger than this one. And the other one had, but this is still a really large desk. The other one also has some shelves on the side. You'll see those in the other video. So, yeah, pretty nice. Does this TV pull out? It probably doesn't need to though, because there's no sofa in here. Nah, it doesn't pull out. At least it ain't pulling out for me. But it's pretty large TV. And another thing that is definitely lets me know that I'm in Europe is it comes with a kettle. You don't see these on the US ships. I don't even remember having this on Enchanted Princess when I was sailing out of Rome. I don't remember having a kettle in the room. It could have been. I have to go back and look at that video again. But yeah, definitely something they use here in Europe. Let's see what we got here. Always checking to see if somebody left me $1 million. What do you think? No $1 million today? Okay, and here's our fridge. Let's see which side we open it on. Okay. And it doesn't feel cold at all. It's a little cool, but it ain't cold. It'll do the trick though. It's just to, if I decide to bring some fruit or cookies or something back, stick them in the fridge. If I decide to get some, I am gonna need some bottled water. And put some bottled water in there. I don't know what's supposed to go right here. I have no idea. What do you think? Oh boy. Got a little phone. I like that it's slim. It doesn't take up much of the room on the desk. Oops. Move this out of the way. Alright, doesn't take up much room on the desk there. And that's it. We have our welcome aboard. I guess these are the different restaurants. Paperwork they give you. And then this is our itinerary where we will be going. It shows all the places we're going to be going, the different ports and stops of where this ship goes to. So we shall see what this 14-day adventure is like. And what else did I not see? Got the mirror there, thermostat over there. It doesn't say Celsius or Fahrenheit. It just lets you know if you're gonna be colder or hotter. I think that is about it. I think this is the same exact painting. Is this the same exact painting that I had on the other ship? I do like the wall over there, how they do that. And wait, what is that down there? Oh, it's a sensor. The light came on. Okay, I wasn't ready for that. Did it do it on the other side and I didn't notice? There we go. Got a light right there. Okie dokie. So that is your interior cabin here on Sky Princess that is currently sailing out of Southampton, UK, and we're going 14 days from the UK to Norway and Iceland. Stay tuned for more videos about what it's like to sail on this cruise.